lot of people, black, white, Mexican, young or old, fat or skinny, have a problem being true to themselves. They have a problem looking in the mirror and looking directly into their own souls. And the reason I am who I am today is because I can look directly into my face and find my soul.
I'm old enough to know better, young enough to not give a fuck. Rather hold my head high and die than live and duck. If you cool with being taken down or giving up, your lifestyle's a blowjob, your way of living sucks. I done felt pain, waited but no help came. Went through some crazy shit, still kept myself sane. You ever been dying of thirst and smelt rain? Ever been told go to hell and felt flames? The water's to your neck and only gets deeper. It's all downhill and it only gets steeper. Gotta get over it, be a hurdle leaper. It costs to be the boss and it ain't getting no cheaper. But there's a man